Good evening. My name is Xlr Balanced, and tonight I'll be reviewing the Raidho D1s. The D1 is the smallest offering from Raidho Acoustics in their D line of loudspeakers. It comes in at 27.5 pounds and has a stated frequency response of 50 Hz to 50 kHz. It is also a vented design with a port at the rear, and it has a stated impedance of greater than 6 ohms nominal. Being a loudspeaker in the D range means that the D1 has a mid-bass driver that has been coded via Raidho's proprietary manufacturing process to having a diamond coating on the front and the rear of the driver itself, effectively raising the resonant frequency of the driver to above 20 kHz, which is pretty outstanding. Setting up a Raidho D1 is very simple. First and foremost, here we have the stand. I recommend that you place it in the general vicinity of where you think your final placement will be at, just to minimize any moving of the loudspeaker once it's placed on the stand. First thing, place the 4 included ball bearings into the 4 slots on top of the stand. Next, place the 4 felted pegs on top of the ball bearings in the slots, which provides for the decoupling between the loudspeaker and the stand itself. And now for placing the Raidho on the stand. Now, since there's no spike or anything to tell you when the loudspeaker has been aligned with the stand, all you have to do is use your fingers to align the loudspeaker to the 4 corners. It's very simple. And there you go. Now what's left is to connect the loudspeaker cable. I'm using locking bananas. And there we go. That's the setup of a Raidho D1. The system used to review the Raidho D1s is comprised of, first and foremost, the rack provided by Crollo Design. This is the Tomo model. It's a gorgeous rack, very sturdy, fantastic build and finish. Which leads us to the top shelf, which includes the Orlik Vega DAC. Right below that, we have a Past Laboratories XP20 2-chassis preamp. A transparent power isolator reference line conditioner. And then sitting on the floor in front of it all is a Past Laboratories X350.5 stereo power amplifier. All cabling is by Transparent. Everything is of the Ultra line. Interconnects are Xlr Balanced, and the USB cable from my computer to the DAC, to the Vega Orlik DAC, is by Cardus. And then of course we arrive at the Raidho D1s, which are the subject of this review. And the loudspeakers themselves come in 2 finishes. The finish that you see on them on the review sample right here, and they also come in a black piano finish as well.
I placed the loudspeakers in the same exact position that I placed the YG Carmels. I also experimented with different positions, but I found the previous position where I placed the YGs to be the best in terms of overall sonic performance, to really hear what the Raidhos were able to deliver. The beautiful Past Labs amplifier. The beautiful rack that everything sits upon, which is made just up north in Canada. Matched the components very well. And that's the system for the review of the Raidho D1s.